And welcome to Geometry Test 2. So here we've got our first question that states, choose the angle that correctly measures 123 degrees from the options that have been provided. So let's look at some examples, what angles should look like. So just very quickly as a rough example, this will be what we call 90 degrees in total. So roughly speaking, 90 degrees. And then we have what we call a straight line, and this is 180 degrees, roughly speaking. So 123 degrees will come somewhere in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So I would say that option A is just over 90 degrees, so probably be around about, I would say, like 95 degrees, roughly speaking. Option C is very close to 180 degrees because it's a straight line, so I would say it's probably around about 170 degrees. And option B seems correct at 123 degrees because 90 degrees is like a straight line there, and then we've got that extra gap in between that will give us an extra 23 odd degrees. So option B is going to be the correct answer for this question. So the angles are to scale, so you just choose which angle roughly looks correct. And in this particular task, you've got various angle questions and shape questions as well as part of the topic of geometry. Good luck with these questions, and we'll follow this up. All the questions in our next class. We'll be going through all these questions individually, one by one. Thank you.